Namaskar, welcome to our channel by Gulab Sir. As a part of series of lectures, today's topic is Platyhelminthes, also known as flatworm. They are also known as tapeworm, as they are dorsiventrally flattened. Let us know about its characteristics. Already we have been discussed about Porifera cylindrata. This is in third in order of evolutionary history, that we learned that Porifera and cylindrate were diploblastic ocelomate. This is now triploblastic ocelomate. That means it has three layers in its embryo: ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. That mesoderm has no cavity, therefore no organ system, but it has started development of organs, poorly developed organs and organ system, but very poorly developed organ system. Let us know about Platyhelminthes. As I said you one formula, that what characters supposed to be first, that is habitat. So what is habitat? Living place. Let know that they are mostly endoparasite, means where they live inside the host body, therefore endoparasite, even found in every animal including human being. So they live as a parasite inside the body, suck the nutrition, and because of that they have no digestive system, because they suck ready-made nutrition and therefore need not to be a digestive system. Therefore in one of the point it is written that they have no digestive system, or if it is incompletely developed. Since it is incompletely developed, no need to digestion, no need to excretion. That means solid waste is not there, means they have no anus. That means you can understand one more character, that they have blind sac body plan. What does it mean? That means they have mouth but no anus. In this way you can guess some of the characteristics. So in that order, second point is, since they have mesoderm, because of mesoderm that have extra cell to produce organs, therefore they have organ level of organization. It's very easy. As I have given you formula, first point supposed to be habitat, second to be habit, now third. See in that order, as I given formula, that why they are so called. They are so called Platyhelminthes because they are dorsiventrally flattened like a tape, and therefore they are also called as tapeworms. In that series you can learn about liver fluke, Planaria and tapeworm. So in that order of that classification characteristics, fourth one is that they are triploblastic ocelomate, as already discussed. They are bilaterally symmetrical. They are bilaterally symmetrical. So here this is bilaterally symmetric is written. Next one, blind sac body plan, that what I already told you, that they have mouth but no anus. Why they have mouth but no anus? No need to digest, no solid waste. It's very easy to understand. Yes, therefore it is called as blind sac body plan. Question can be asked. Platyhelminthes have blind sac body plan. Reason? Have mouth but no anus. Like this assertion and reason question can be asked. And you can see in picture form also about this one, detail is given that they have, as a special characteristic, that they have sucker mouth or hooked mouth. What they do prick their mouth or head region into the host body to suck the nutrition, and therefore it is called as sucker mouth. See how long it is with that dorsiventrally flattened structure. You can refer this into the net for that special characteristic. Now, as I told you, that next point is they have hook and sucker mouth. In that series, see, they have no digestive system, which already I have been explaining you why they do not have digestive system. Next point, they are evolved with head and tail. Evolved with head is the first point, or first time that head region is developed, although it is sucker. But because of that, they have well-developed nervous system in head region as a neuroglial cell. What does it mean? It means accumulation of neuron cell in a glia. Glia means cavity, and therefore it is called neuroglia. So it was a beginning of development of brain in the head region. And why head? Because when they suck nutrition, when they prick, that cells become active, or in that active area neuron cell got accumulated, and that is called neuroglia. Extending ventral side, that they have nerve cord. Therefore it can be said that they have good nervous system, not fully developed, but it was the beginning of developed nervous system with pair of nerve cord that extend ventrally. All invertebrate, they have ventral nervous system. They are having special cells, flame cell, first time excretory system. For that, not excretory system exactly, but organ, as I told you, that they have organ level of development. So first organ with first cell, that flame cells, supposed to excrete the excretory waste. What is excretory waste? It is not solid, it is a liquid waste, that is nitrogenous waste in the form of ammonia, urea, uric acid. So nitrogenous waste is being excreted through this phlegm cell. This was the group to have the first time, that first excretory system, that with the help of this special cell, phlegm cell. Next, that they are hermaphrodite, that means they are bisexual, but still they require two bodies to be together. Although they are bisexual, but individually one cannot produce, they need opposite one, therefore they get copulate in juxtaposition, and therefore specially it is mentioned cross fertilization, that means cross way they copulate and produce their kind. Very important that Planaria are produced by regeneration, which already you learned in 10th class, and therefore you can remember it. Some of the examples belong to these phylums are Fasciola, that is a liver fluke, Planaria, freshwater worm, and Taenia, tapeworm. These examples you have to remember, and I hope so that this is a very easy phylum with easy characteristic. Question can be asked, write any 6 characteristics of this phylum for 3 mark in board or your school examination. But in NEET, don't forget 2-3 points. 1. Phlegm cells. 2nd, neuroglia development head in the head region. 3rd, that they have hook with sucker mouth. This question can be asked. So these are the important points supposed to be note down for the NEET. And if I am not mistaking, to make you have that observation for this point, so here this is a phlegm cell that I just circle it to understand you. Very important as a part of NEET, that they have incomplete developed elementary canal system, means they have blind side body plan. This is another NEET point. I hope that these 2 points, if you concentrate, you will get 1 question in NEET. Also, I am happy to know that you are satisfied with my video, and you are again and again visiting to our channel and seeing video. Keep on visiting, keep on seeing, keep on liking and sharing. As well, if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Also, if you are new, please subscribe it. Happy learning.